I'm going to actually introduce my first guest, who has joined us today. So he's a director of SP Sanghi Air Conditioning, one of the oldest air conditioning companies in India. He's a ex-cathedralite, and I know how it is important to be an ex-cathedralite. I've got two of my sons going to the same school, and that's extremely important. And he runs one of the well-known and the oldest air conditioning companies in Mumbai. And I remember even before Pure Blue was launched, I had told him that, listen, I'm working on a project, and what do you think about it? And after he shared his opinion, he would keep constantly in touch with me to ask me, how far have you moved ahead? What has happened? And he's been using Pure Blue for quite some time, and he's probably among the oldest company who's been using the system for maybe about close to now 4 years. So welcome, Akhil. Thank you so much for joining us. And thank you very much for taking time out to be here.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So we basically, SP Sanghi is we're probably 40 plus years in the industry. And now we've been using this package for over 3 years. And as all traditional businesses, Excel based, after a lot of resistance, we said we must try out technology. And so I think basically the biggest gains, and I would say from this has been, firstly, the most important part in our business is what? Tracking of complaints. So how do you do that? Today, the normal procedure, most of us, the customer will call, your customer care girl will allot each call by phone. There is no tracking and no accountability. So the biggest and first and foremost advantage we have found is, today I have two directors who, at any given point of time, whether I'm sitting at home, office, my car, I'm traveling, all I have to do is go to the app, and I know what is the status of each and every call. Everything is app-based, very simple, with a basic, simple Android phone. If the call is not attended, it gets escalated. All I have to do today is go onto the app. I get a daily report every morning, number of calls created, number escalated, number attended, pending for parts. So as the director, it's very, very simple for me to track each and every technician. What is he doing? Why isn't he doing? Why is the call escalated? So it just simplifies the whole thing at one go. This is what I think most of us want in our business. You don't have time to keep on calling your back end, your office, your technicians. So it just makes it very, very simple. Yes, the resistance to change is there, but I think in the initial period, my other director for almost 6 months was on herself, and now I'm handling it. I have to be willing to change firstly, and I think it's just a mindset. Once you get used to it, you'll just reap the benefits and see how well it works for you. Then you have reports, your paperwork, it just eliminates everything. The report goes straight to the customer, the mail goes, message goes, customer is happy, he calls you back. So everything is done on just a push of a button. Then what is important in our business is repairs, paid jobs we have. So you can integrate the whole app can be integrated and also create repair jobs. You can send the quotations directly from the app. You can follow up from that. So everything is integrated in the software, your billing, your quotations, and everything what I think each of us need. And one very important point is history of every machine. So today, supposing you want to check how many times the person went, how many times, what job he's done, on a click of a button, you can get an entire history of A, B, C, D customer. So I think that's, as an owner or as a manager, you need to know what has been done in the past, how many times has he been attended. Then comes to the service schedule. So the entire service schedule can be created on the app, on this system itself. You don't have to do it well. I know most of us are probably using Excel, but it just simplifies the whole process. Your entire service planning and schedule can be done in this Pure Blue app. Then, yes, but the most important is the data entry has to be done properly. So you need to get the data entry done to get all the data, the customer data, the customer track. So you have to ensure that you do the data. Essentially, to put it in a simple word, it's a very good system to keep track of these service and complaints. I think each one should, especially now with COVID, sitting in today. Of course, right now they are beyond working and no complaint. Even today, every morning, the old data, morning first thing 7:30, it's showing 100 odd complaints pending. So I like, this is probably it's capturing my old data. But just imagine when you're live, and now once you go back post-COVID, you just want things simpler. So it's mindset. I think each one must try this app. It's a wonderful system created by Ajit and his team. It has just made life so simple for us. And I think it's a wonderful, basically, software he has created. Hats off to him and his team.
Awesome, Akhil. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to hear from you. I only have one more question, Akhil. Now, you've been in this business for a long time. You've adopted technology all through. What do you see in the future of the role of technology coming in our business?
I think it's all going to be about technology. Everything, whether it's your work, whether it's from your home, I think everything is technology based. One is the business part. Look at I think today all of us are sitting home, and how are we paying for our normal electricity bills, for your telephone bills, for your credit card bills, all technology based. It's all on your phone. I'm sure we all have banking accounts, your net banking, everything is being done just on the push of a button. So the only way out is technology. If you're not going to be willing to change to technology, I think you're going to be far, far behind than people. So everything is going to move towards how well you handle, how well you change to the new latest technology, whether it's in your work, whether it's your home, everything.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Akhil. Thank you so much for joining us. It was fantastic to
Thanks
hear
for
you.
having me.
Thank you very much. Thank